Hey, Yuri with Blauparts here. Many of you are familiar with our BLAU fluid change kits that include Ravenol oils. In this video, we're going to give you a brief tutorial on how to open a Ravenol bottle. As many of you know, this is an anti-tamper bottle cap design and cannot be unscrewed or removed from the bottle. To learn more details about some of the other Ravenol bottle features and the anti-tamper bottle cap design, we'll leave a link in the description below for that. First, when handling any type of oil or lubricant, we always recommend using protective gloves to avoid skin contact. Next, locate the oil cap rings. While holding the bottle firmly in place, use your index finger and thumb and begin pulling upward on the cap rings until the spout extends from the bottle. The pour spout is fully extended at around 2 inches. Next, loosen and remove the cap lid from the spout by unthreading it in a counterclockwise direction. Now the Ravenol standard bottle cap is ready to pour. If you have a 1 liter transmission fluid, gear oil, or transfer case fluid bottle, these come with an additional pull-out fill tube feature. With the cap lid unscrewed, continue pulling upward on the cap rings, allowing the built-in fill tube to be extracted upward from the bottle spout. The fill tube is fully extracted at around 3 inches. Next, remove the cap lid and using the bottle cap's built-in fill tube, begin dispensing the lubricant into the driveline components. For those of you who need access to hard-to-reach fluid fill ports on your transmission, differential, or transfer case, we have our fluid transfer hand pump kit that can be used with the 1 liter Ravenol transmission fluid, gear oil, and transfer case fluid bottles. With the bottle in an upright position, firmly press and slide the bottom of the pump onto the bottle's built-in fill tube around a 1/2 inch. Next, cut the clear hose to your desired length, required to access your vehicle's driveline component fluid fill port. Attach the clear hose to the pump spout, pushing the hose onto the spout around 1 inch. Next, direct the end of the hose into the desired fluid fill port and begin pumping and transferring the fluid into your transmission, differential, or transfer case. As fluid is being evacuated from the bottle can be tipped on its side while being pumped without leaking. Slightly elevate the bottom of the bottle to an upside-down position, tipping the fluid into the bottle spout tube and pump. You can allow the bottle to be sucked dry as it collapses. Continue repeating this sequence with each additional bottle as needed. So that's a brief overview on how to use our fluid transfer hand pump with the Ravenol bottles supplied in our BLAU fluid change kits. To learn more about our BLAU fluid change kits and our full range of high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, and transfer case fluids, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.